Welcome to Xindun Tower. I'm Eric. Today I would like to introduce our inspection ability. Every product from Xindun Tower will be inspected before the delivery. Now please follow us. Every inverter will be checked here when they after installation. And here the inverter will be checked is AC input, AC output, PV input, PV output, and the voltage of the battery. And every data will be carefully inspected by our engineer. We, Xindun Power, have 17 years experience in produce the inverter and solar system. Besides, we have all kinds of the certificate. For example, CE certificate, ISO certificate, and CCE certificate, and every product of the patent. Just like this. We accept OEM and ODM. Thank you very much.